In front of me is Oukitel OT11 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on microphone at the top right corner. If it's not visible, just like in my case, use this gear instead. Tap on voice typing over here and use gray switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on no visible microphone. Following that, select while using the app or only this time. And start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can simply stop talking or click on the same icon of a microphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!